in town. Spread the word around. The boys are back in town. They're hanging on the Latinos. Yeah, the boys are back in town. The boys are back